This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to add the spikes to my free amigurumi pattern, Dante the Dragon. I've included a link to the pattern in the video description. First, I'll show you how to finish off a spike after completing round 4. Fasten off, leaving a 6-inch yarn tail. Create an invisible finish, then fasten off with a knot inside the work and snip off the remaining yarn tail. Once you've completed all 10 spikes, it's time to crochet them together into 2 groups of 5. Create a slip knot on your hook, leaving a 6-inch yarn tail. We're going to pinch the final round of each spike together and crochet through both sides. Single crochet 6 across the flat edge of each spike. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Now we'll start with the next spike, pinch the final round together, and crochet through both sides. Continue this process until you've crocheted 5 spikes together. Once you've finished with the 5th spike, fasten off, leaving a 3-foot tail for sewing. Then you can hide this starting tail inside the work with a yarn needle. Repeat this process for the remaining 5 spikes. Now it's time to sew our spikes to the dragon's body. Work from bottom to top, starting at the tip of the tail. Before I start sewing, I like to trace a guide with a disappearing ink marker. This helps ensure I sew my spikes on straight. Thread the yarn tail attached to your spikes through a yarn needle. Then sew the spikes to the dragon's body stitch for stitch. Once the whole row of spikes is attached, fasten off with a knot and hide the yarn tail inside the work. Now we repeat this process for the head. Your dragon spikes are now complete. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!